Here are 5 easy steps to help you make $1,000 a month in dividends. Step number 1. How much money do you need in your portfolio? First, let's look at how much money you would have to have invested in order to make $1,000 a month. Instead of looking at it monthly, let's look at it on a yearly basis. So if you want to make $1,000 a month, that means $12,000 a year. This means you would have to have a portfolio of $300,000 and a return of 4%, and this would give you your $12,000 a year in dividends. Step number 2. Decide on how much money you can invest each month. Deciding how much money you can invest in dividend stocks each month is a critical part of dividend investing. You need to make sure that you are able to contribute consistently in order to reach your investment goals. By missing even one contribution, you can put yourself behind schedule and jeopardize your ability to reach your goals. Therefore, it's essential that you decide on an amount that you can comfortably invest each month and stick to it. This will help you build a solid foundation for your dividend investing strategy and ensure that you are able to reach your financial goals. Step number 3. Choose the right stocks. When it comes to dividend investing, there are a few key factors that you should look for in a stock. First and foremost, you want to make sure that the company is in good financial health. This means considering things like their earnings and how well they are covering their dividend payments. It's also important to look at how long the company has been paying dividends, as this can give you an idea of their commitment to shareholders. Additionally, you'll want to consider the company's industry and whether or not it's likely to experience growth in the future. By taking all of these factors into account, you can be sure to choose the best dividend stocks for your portfolio. Step number 4. Stay diversified. For many investors, dividend stocks are an attractive option. They offer the potential for both capital appreciation and regular income. However, dividend stocks can be volatile, and it's important to diversify one's holdings in order to minimize risk. That means avoid putting all of your eggs in one basket, so to speak. Instead, an investor should own a variety of different dividend stocks in order to hedge against market fluctuations. This way, if one stock suffers a decline, the others may offset that loss. Diversification is a key element of any successful investment strategy, and that holds true for dividend investing as well. Before I move on to the last step, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Step number 5. Reinvest your dividends. When you reinvest your dividends, you are essentially giving yourself a raise. The extra cash can be used to buy more shares, which will generate even more income down the road. In addition, reinvesting dividends can help to compound your returns. As your dividend payments grow, so will the number of shares you own. Over time, this can lead to significant growth in your portfolio. Of course, you don't have to reinvest your dividends if you don't want to, but for those who are looking to maximize their returns, reinvesting is a powerful tool. So if you're serious about building wealth through dividend investing, make sure you're reinvesting your dividends. It's one of the best ways to accelerate your portfolio's growth. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.